Good evening and welcome to a short video I'm just making for the NJD Hurricane DM404 double deck unit, which as of making the video I've got on eBay. So obviously you've been looking at the listing, you can see that from the pictures that the console is in great condition. No rips or tears to the veneer, and the catches and handle in great condition. Lid's also included. Very few marks to it. Okay, so just a quick tour of the unit. Over here you've got the mic input area, volume control for the mic, followed by treble and bass. Been tested, working fine. You've got the tape input here, which is on a 5-pin D, and obviously you can use it for connecting laptop, iPhone, CD, or even a tape player, anything of your choice really. Moving over to the music section, you've got the volume for the input, so you've got the tape, left deck, right deck, master volume, treble and bass. Moving across even further, we see the PFL section, so you can monitor on your headphones, the tape player input, the left deck, the right deck, and the volume for that, so you can key your tracks up. Output to an external amplifier. Deck start switches for left, right, and the main power. And you've got your fuse and IC socket for the power input. And being the amplified version, you've just got straight output to one or two speakers here, which I've obviously hooked up for testing. So to demonstrate the unit working, I'm going to start off. I've already got my master volume there. Let's start off with deck A. Nip over to deck B, or the right deck. And then I'll just, I've got my laptop hooked up to this through a lead, so I'll just show you the tape input. So yeah, it's in full working order, and it's hopefully ready to hit the road with you. I'll just show you as well, obviously the 45 RPM adapters are integrated in this model, up and across, obviously for use with records that have come out of a jukebox like that one. Clips are all intact on the turntables. And sinuses, as I might have already mentioned, are in fine condition. Loads of life left in them. Actually, very, very new themselves. You'll get included the 5-pin to 3.5mm adapter for connecting up an aux input of your choice, and you'll also get two jacked bare end speaker cables, which can be used for connecting to domestic speakers, or you can throw a connector on the end of them for some PA speakers. And I'll also include a long IUC mains lead for that. It's strictly collection only. Any questions, of course, just contact me over eBay messaging. So there you go, the NJD Hurricane.